Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, I'm going to share yet another brushstroke pattern. Let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to keep a plumpy dot and make it to a swipe. I'll make this dot into a swipe now. I'll keep a dot here. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep one more dot. I'll work the dots now. See, depending on how big or small you want the pattern to be, you can change the tools that I'm using accordingly. The next is I'm going to keep some brush strokes. You can either start a brush stroke from here and you can stop it here, or you can start from here and then do a little curve, stop it here. Both are actually okay. There are no hard and fast rule in brush strokes. You can do it either way. Now I'm loading the brush with enough amount of paint. Now I'll keep another brush stroke. Now this time I'm going to start it not from here but from here. Now I'll keep two more brush strokes. I'll add two more brush strokes now. I'm sure this pattern came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.